Hi everyone, welcome back to today's trade of the day. For today's trade of the day, we'll be looking at the Aussie dollar. Now the Aussie dollar has had a very fantastic run up, and then now it's been making quite a large pullback, right? But I just want to show you that if we take from the low here to the high here, and we use Fibonacci retracement, 0.1, 0.2, we actually see that price is reacting right at 61.8, and it's also the graphical overlap level. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight this 61.8 level. Okay, and then I'm going to go put a support over here. Alright, so what I'm expecting price to do is at least to show a short rebound, okay, before continuing lower. Now, if Elliott wave is proven right, then this should be a 1, 2, 3, and then a wave 4, and then a wave 5. Alright, so for that, let's go down to the 4 hours. Okay, so we have a price bullish engulfing candle over here to show the reversal is confirmed. Let me tidy this up first. Okay, let me use a Fibonacci retracement of the last movement from the high to the low. Okay, the 61.8 is also a very nice graphical overlap here, but Elliott wave actually says that if this is a wave 4, normally it goes to 38 or 50%. Alright, and if we look to the left, okay, the 38 seems like a better call, and then the 61.8% could be a hyperextended wave 4. So I'm just going to highlight 38 and 61, alright? And I'm going to put our targets in, okay, our take profit levels in. So this can be the first take profit, and should price actually hyperextend, this can be our second take profit. So very quickly, alright, this level here will then be our buy entry. All we have to do is wait for price to come back to this level, and then we can go long. Now lastly, where will our stop loss be? Right, our stop loss very clearly will be the level at which we know our trade is wrong. So my stop loss, I'll put it slightly below the recent swing low. Alright, so just give why I'm not putting it right at a swing low but rather a recent swing low is because I want to give this trade a bit of room to breathe. And always remember, the stop loss is the level that you know for sure your trade is wrong. So if price actually comes down, okay, retest this level and still continues up, it's fine. But why I back up the stop loss is for price to come down and break below the stop loss. Then we know for sure that price has formed a new low, right? This is the recent low, this will be a lower low. Then we know that the trend would be continuing downwards. Okay, so just remember today is Friday, alright, and this makes for a nice intraday along, but of course because it's Friday, there's going to be slightly less liquidity going forward into the US session, so maybe you guys might want to risk a bit less capital on this trade. Alright, so very quick trade. Alright, daily it shows a reversal at 61.8, and if we go down to the 4 hour, the confirmation of the reversal is this bullish engulfing arrow over here. So I'm just going to put bullish engulfing, point it out to you guys. Alright, so it's a confirmation of a reversal. Alright, and we're just going to play a bounce. Okay, and in terms of Elliott wave, like I say, this could be wave 1, 2, wave 3, and possibly to wave 4, and wave 5 somewhere lower, but let's ignore it for now. So wave 4 can either be here, rarely it goes to 61.8, more often than not it goes to 38.20. But in case, alright, there's a hyperextended wave 4, we are also ready to take profit there. Alright, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best, and I hope you guys had a great trading week this week, and I'll catch you guys again the following week. Take care and goodbye.